In this video, we shall discuss about the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So, if A is equal to AB, C, D, the inverse of A denoted as D is denoted as this. The inverse of A will be equal to the inverse of A will give us what I want to write here. It give us 1 all over the determinant of A multiplied by this will come over here, B, and A, then we'll have negative B and negative C. So this is the inverse of A. Or better still, we can write it as 1 all over the determinant of A multiplied by B, negative B, negative C, and A. So when the determinant is multiplying something like this, we get the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So this is just how we can compute the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.